All right, it is good afternoon. I've already had a start to this day. It is May 3rd. It is Monday, and it is Vlog 85. Wow. I keep saying it. This year, I really felt it, or this last week, I really felt it like this time is going really fast. This year, and all the stuff that I'm doing, and it's kind of crazy. But anyways, we'll start out with a tuning. Whew. Always nice. Always nice. Always a good tuning in the morning. All right. Let's start out with, what is today's weather? Carrie said it was supposed to be 75 today, but let me check. I haven't even looked. Yeah, interesting. Boop, boop, boop. It is 70 currently. I feel kind of cool right now though, but I feel it warming up, so. And it looks like a high of 72, so yeah, it's gonna be a nice day, all sunny, typical California weather. Love it. Yeah, because we got some things to do today, so we shall see. It's a good, nice day to do it. But we're gonna go back to Friday. I think I kind of already went over Friday last week, but I will go again. I woke up early on 7. This is what I wrote. Again, I did not write anything this weekend until today. I had to try to recall everything. So I wrote a big note for myself. Write every day, just so you can remember. But Friday, I woke up at 7. Yeah, I woke up early because I had an appointment, a handpan or early one with Maggie, and sold a handpan. That was pretty awesome. Maggie, yeah, I think I already explained all that stuff, so she was cool. Car was still in the shop, so we rented a car for the time being. We got it like a little Yaris. That's funny. Yeah, and I wrote that. I need to write every day to remember what happened to life. Life moves quick, and it sure does. Wow. Carrie went out with the girls that night. She went and had margaritas, so I had the house to myself on the Friday. I think Corey had there was a party at Corey's, but man, I wanted to go, but I didn't feel like going out there. That was kind of crazy. But I had some work to do anyways. I had to finish some edits. I want to work on some song sheets, and yeah, that's what I got some work done. And that was cool. Did my 100-day song. It's day 90. We're on countdown. 10, 9, 8. And I did Don't Let Me Be Misunderstood by I think it was the Animals. Saturday, it was all ukulele day. Actually, this whole weekend was pretty much ukulele because I have my live show, and I just wanted to make sure I was ready. And actually, this was the first time that I used this guy down here, the new Mac M1 to do my live show, and oh my gosh, it was awesome. Everything ran smoothly. I actually streamed in 1080. Usually I stream in a 720 because the computer can't handle it, but it was 1080. We did our whole thing. Lenny kind of surprised me. I was supposed to do a solo, but I wasn't ready, and yeah, I kind of messed that one up, but oh well, and that was live. But it was awesome. I was just surprised, like everything was working well, and it just freaked me out because I wasn't used to it, like just everything working. I was like, yes, and it was smooth. It was just rad. I was like, wow, this is so cool. It's kind of crazy because all last year I was working on getting my system to run correctly. A big deal was the computer was just old, or Actually, I think the new Macs have new video encoders in them, and what a video encoder does is like, because there's so many different video formats that, and they keep updating like every year, and the computers that don't have these video codecs or like the language of it, of the video, it runs really slow. So Apple has some Apple magic for video, and everything runs smoothly. It's pretty crazy, unbelievably good. So, and going from a 2014 computer to a brand new one, God, that's 6 years. That's like a lifetime in, actually more, 7 years in computer time is like a whole nother era. And God, I love it. Right now, I'm just so happy with the desk and everything. I'm just, wow, it's easy to work, and it just makes everything easier. So cool. If you guys have an old computer right now, honestly, and you want to upgrade, and you're in the Mac era, definitely get one. I any of the Macs, Mac Air, Mac Mini, Mac anything. It's so good. And then the live show was awesome. Lenny is such a cool guy. We're like Filipino brothers from another mother. And yeah, learned a lot. I learned absolutely a lot. Then we had the Ook Social, Amy, Nikki, and then a new guy, Rick. He was from Lenny's thing, and Lenny came on later, but it was good. We had a good Ook Social, especially for the new guy. And Rick, he was just ecstatic. I actually shared with him the 4 principles of music, and he's like, oh my God, this is what I needed. It's kind of weird because, I don't know, I don't feel like the music guy, like I should know it, like all of it, but I just have the 4 principles that I just came up with, and it just made sense because I was always wondering what I was trying to teach people about music, and that was it. It was the 4 principles, and then everything I think stems from that. You can use it with every instrument, and it just gives people a base on like, hey, what am I doing? And yeah, it works really well. It helps people like understand the things that they're learning. That's what I feel. I did my song, 100-day song. It was day 91, Saturday in the park. I've been waiting for a good Saturday, and this is almost the last Saturday before I finish my 100 days, and it was a good one for that day. I like singing Saturday in the park on a Saturday, of course. And then that night we kind of had like a mini date night and went and got pokey. And we have a place that we go to, Poke Kai, which is good. And then Sunday, it was good because I slept in. I was tired. I've been tired like all week. I think we just been working a lot. And yeah, we need a vacation. It's kind of crazy. But time for vacation, time to clear out all of that. But actually cleaned a little bit of house, did the litter boxes. I've been trying to keep up on the litter boxes. It's a never-ending battle. Worked on song sheets, and actually today I finished all my song sheets for the 100-day. So I'm excited. I got a whole lineup for the next, 8 days, because I'm on 92. Today is 93. So I have 8 more songs. Crazy. Yesterday I did Girl from Ipanema. I like that song. I love bossa nova. In ukulele, I'm constantly learning, and that's, I think, for music, that's just it. You just constantly learn, and sometimes like I made it a goal to be the best that I can be, and learning new stuff is awesome. Like bossa nova, I knew some bossa nova like riffs before, but I haven't done them in a while, and I kind of want to learn some more bossa nova songs, which are cool. And then Brandy came over last night to finish up the website for our new business, and I think they did it. It was good, and we're starting to roll on that. So I'll give you guys once everything's like smoothed out, because it's just the beginning of the business. But huge potential, and we're excited, and it's good stuff, and we can help kids, also make money at the same time, and do some fun stuff. So that's what it's all about. And we're up to today. It is about 2 o'clock right now. This morning I just been working on like catching up on some stuff, computer work, and I finished my song sheets today. I was trying to finish this weekend, but I finished today, so I'm good on that. I don't have to worry about that. That's kind of like been for the 100 days, the biggest thing is writing the sheets. Singing the songs are no problem. It's just it's rewriting the sheets. And the good thing about rewriting the sheets is I learn all the songs. And I'm going to continue to do that. Like every song I get, I just write it and have it, available, and have it digitized, which is cool because you can use all these sheets for whatever, if you're looking for a song or whatever. And I'm just making them generic so people can use them to rewrite their own songs if they want to. That's really cool. But today, I think our car's done, and we're waiting for Kaylee. Carrie's working right now, and we're waiting for Kaylee because she has to take us to go get the car, and then we have an appointment at DII later for a hand pan appointment, and then this week, Dave's all excited because we're going to be doing videos, and he cleaned up the shop, which was cool. And we have we're all set up for videos, and yeah, everything's like going. It's kind of cool. We're getting ready for the summer because I think we're going to have a busy summer. And we have some hand pans to sell, and there's a lot of people out there that want them. So yeah, that's going to be this week. So I actually have to do some ukulele stuff because I just sold a bunch. So yeah, that's all I have for us today on a Monday. Always exciting on a Monday. Actually, being your own boss, it kind of, we go by that, but not really. Like every day is kind of a weekend, but we just work. Actually, it's 24 hours. We're working constantly. It's kind of funny. Making your lifestyle your work style is just your lifestyle. It's kind of cool. But yeah, that's all I have for us today. And like always, every day, keep on strumming ukulele. Yeah. I love that chord. G major 7. Have a good one. See you tomorrow.